So click on setting. After that, click on USB and remove this selected US filter. Okay, and then OK, and then again click to setting, then click on USB and then select this add USB filter and then click to OK and then close it. Then guys, open, click to start, enter service, right click to run as administrator, then open it and then find out Bluetooth support service, double click, select automatic, stop, then start and then apply and then OK and then close it. Then guys, reinstall the Bluetooth driver. So right click, otherwise click Windows, click and enter device manager. You can see this one, open it. Okay, so extract a network adapter. You can see this is Bluetooth. So right click, uninstall driver, uninstall. So it is remove. After that you can see scan and hardware changes now, and then again show Bluetooth, right click, update and update driver and then disinstall and then close it. Then next method. So guys, first method, click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator, run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is 4 command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%, then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete, then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. Then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, This 4 command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.